Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is classification of orders. In classification of orders, today's topic is catchets and capsules. These catchets are the one of the oldest dosage form of medicament for enclosing a large amount of powder. These catchets are replaced with capsules. These catchets are also called as vapor capsules. These are comes under solid dosage form of a drug. These are made by the using of rice flour converted into desired molded. Before the formation of a catchet, it can be mixed with water and enclosed in between two hot polished cylinder. It can converted into desired shape. After process is completed, the water is evaporated and vapor film is formed. These catchets are used for enclosing the 0.2 to 1.5 grams of drugs can be enclosed. For drugs which are having noisiness and disagreeable drugs are not suitable for enclosing this type of catchets. Catchets are hard before swallowing are used. They can be dipped in a small amount of water for few seconds or then placed in a tongue and swallowed with taking a small quantity of a water. After taking of these catchets slowly disintegrated or break in our body and drug can be released. By the use of catchets there are having different advantages. By the use of catchets a large amount of powder sample can be enclosed. These are preparation is easy. Disintegration or breakdown can be done in only stomach. Drugs can be easily dispensed. Large doses of drugs can be enclosed in a catchets. By the use of catchets there are having some disadvantages. Before the swallowing it can be dipped in a small amount of water. When reacted with atmosphere it can be easily breaks and content from the catchets are removed. Cannot be protected from light and moisture, easily affected by the light and moisture. If any water is placed it can be decomposed. The shell of capsules are easily breakdowns. If in case of a small pressure can be applied on the catchets, their shells can be breaks. This is not used for filling of a large amount of drugs and also not used for preparation of catchets in large scale. There are occupies more space for preparation of a catchets when compared to the tablets and capsules. Types of catchets. Catchets are classified into two types: wet seal catches and dry seal catches. Wet seal catches. A wet seal catches are made up of two similar convex halves having flat edges. The required quantity of powder can be weighed. The weighed powder can be placed in one half. The edge of another half is moistened with a small amount of water and placed exactly over the first half of the containing the drugs. The flat edges of both halves are pressed together in order to seal perfectly. In this process the drug can be placed in bottom of the half. After the top portion of the half is placed above the bottom, these two halves are slowly compressed with each other. to form a wet seal catches. In this process, a small amount of water is needed to preparation of wet seal catches. Examples of catches: wet seal catches, dry seal catches, and dry seal catches with dome and without dome. Dry seal catches. Dry seal catches are consist of two halves, upper half and lower half. The diameter of the upper half is slightly larger than the lower half. The upper half having larger size when compared to the small lower half. The powder drug is filled in lower half. The upper half portion is placed in the lower half. These can be sealed by using machine pressing. After two halves are pressing, it can be removed and packed in a suitable bags. Example of drugs which can be available in catchets are sodium amino salicylate and sodium amino salicylate with isoniazid. These catchets are most commonly used in treatment of tuberculosis. It is a respiratory borne disease caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So nowadays these catchets are replaced with capsules. Thank you.